Ho, 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 Santa van.
Minivan here, the little elf.
We're here to announce our 10% off 48-hour Alpinestars sale. Okay, this is the second year in a row that we've run this 10% off 48-hour only Alpinestars sale. Everything that's current is 10 off. We have closeouts on the website as well, like the GP Tech V2 race suit. This is obviously my suit, rode in this in 2018, really enjoyed the suit. And then the big news is,
Tech Air Vest too.
that is included in the 10% off sale. That's my Tech Air Vest right there. And I know somebody else is hoping to get one in 2019.
Oh, real bad.
Now's the right time for you to buy it too, dude. You're gonna save 10% at STG, huh? You save your money from over the summer?
I don't know.
I don't know. That is the benchmark for protection. That's why I'm wearing it in my suit. I really believe in it. Jimmy's wearing it too. Max, I think he's gonna be big enough for an adult suit, be able to get him in one. Now's a great time to buy it. You can save 10% on it, and there is reasonable inventory, okay? Super Tech R boots. 10% off. You're gonna save a $50 bill on those. Things are amazing, right? They are so comfortable. Your feet are gonna feel like baby Jesus in his manger when you put those on. And I'm not even embellishing at all. That's how awesome they are. SMX Plus boots. Save 10%. The entire glove range. Jackets. If it says Alpinestars on it and it's current, you're gonna save 10%. The sale begins at midnight Friday, Eastern Standard Time. The sale ends promptly at midnight, Saturday, December 8th, Eastern Standard Time. Okay, and remember, every order that is placed during this week, right, and that's gonna include Friday and Saturday, so the A-Star sale is in it, you're gonna get an entry for each order to win this crashed and signed Garrett Gerloff Core-Tech race suit. I know this is an A-Star sale, but this promo is badass because this is a piece of racing history. Garrett Gerloff is a badass, one hell of a racer. And when Core-Tech, right, when we made this deal with them to bring these suits in to run this giveaway, Gerloff was actually in the office there for Helmet House, and he signed all the suits that he sent our way. We've got a couple of his to give away. We're really excited for that. Make a purchase A-Star, save 10%, and register to win that suit.